Hello, my name is Afla Bashir. In this experiment, I'll be demonstrating experiment 2, a RAG based QA assistant, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. This experiment helps us understand how modern AI systems like Gemini or ChatGPT search for relevant information from documents before generating an intelligent response. In this demo, I'm using a static simulation built with Python and tkinter to visualize how RAG works internally. So let's go to the code right now. Okay, so okay, in the step one, we are importing the required libraries at the beginning of the code. We import tkinter as tk. From tkinter imports call text message. Then okay, scroll text message box. These are used for creating the graphical interface. Tkinter handles the window and layout. Scroll text provides a scrollable text areas, and a message box is used to show warning pop-ups when required. Step two, created a simulated knowledge base. Next, next we define a dictionary. So the dictionary contains AI, Python, RAG, Gemini. Each key represents a topic and the value is short paragraph of information related to it. For example, the AI explains artificial intelligence. The Python key describes the programming language and its uses. The RAG key defines retrieval augmented generation. The Gemini key provides details about Google Gemini model. This mimics how a real RAG systems have document database or knowledge source to pull facts from. Then our step three is designing the tkinter interface. Then we create the GUI window using root equal to tk.tk, root.title, then root.geometry, root.configure. This sets the window title size and background color. We then add a title label, okay, RAG based QA assistant, an input area where the user can type a question, a scrollable output box where the generated answer will be displayed. Then our step four is the core functions, retrieval and generation. Now let's go over the logic part that simulates RAG. Retrieval setup. Def retrieve underscore context query. This function scans through our docs dictionary. If any keyword like API, Python, or Gemini appears in the user's question, it returns the correspondence text from the knowledge base. If nothing matches, it returns a default message. Sorry, I couldn't find relevant information. This represents the retrieval phase of RAG pipeline. Then it's a generation step, which is this. This function gets the user questions, calls the retrieval function, and then generates a response using the context. If the system finds a relevant paragraph, it displays it as based on the content. Here's the answer. Otherwise, it shows the fallback sorry message. Before displaying, it also clears any old text from the output box to show only the latest result. Then we have to add buttons. In this section, we are creating two buttons: generate answer, called the generate answer function, clear, reset both the question box and output area. These functions are styled for readability using blue and rectangle respectively. Then, which is step 6 is to run it, and we are using root.main loop to run it. So let's run and see our program right now. Okay, here is our output. If I type tell me about, I mean, tell me about Python. I'm sorry, okay, wrong spelling. Okay. Then if I press generate answer, it will say based on the document. Here is the answer. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability. It's widely used in data science, web development, and AI. So, in conclusion, this experiment demonstrates the core workflow of retrieval augmented generation in a simplified setup. It begins with retrieving information related to a query, then generating a response using that data. This experiment helps us visualize how AI combines search with understanding to give a context-aware answers. Thank you.